Want to make Kinemaster WhatsApp status? Let's get started. First, go to YouTube. Then search black screen star effect. Okay, then selecting this, then go to share, then copy link. Go to y2mac.com to download the video. I am downloading the video from here. Okay, after downloading, go to Kinemaster. I am opening a new project. See, I am selecting my photo. I am selecting this and this. Then add the recurring black screen star effect there and cut it. Okay, done. Then I'm deleting this. Increase the size. After that, just adjust the size of the stars. Okay, that's right. Then go to Google. Just download the audio waves. I am downloading this. You can also download black screen audio visualizer, but I am downloading this. Download image, PNG format also. Then go to Kinemaster and go to layer, media, and add the music first, and then add audio bit. Okay, use the audio bit. See what happened.